Hi class, my name is Nicole Scott and I am currently on the Women's Health Nurse Practitioner track here with Regis College. So a little bit about my nursing experience and background. It's all been women's health, so I graduated in 2016 from nursing school in Las Vegas. I went to a private school in Henderson, Nevada called Toro University. I worked in Vegas for 1 year on a postpartum unit and then I moved to Phoenix where I am right now. Since then I've been working labor and delivery. Since moving to Phoenix. And then for the past little over a year now, I've been actually working from home with a company called Accolade, doing nursing education, just following patients throughout their pregnancy. So it's been really nice to be able to work from home along with continuing school. And then occasionally I will still go into the hospital to pick up shifts working on labor and delivery. Like I mentioned, I'm on the women's health track to become a nurse practitioner for that. Along with women's health NP, I'm also certified in injectables, so I am hoping once I do graduate to open up my own Botox clinic and also have that on the side. Strategies that have helped promote success in my studies and with Regis College, definitely staying organized, staying on top of readings, and just getting ahead of assignments. That's definitely helped me. And then relaxing relaxing and then balancing school and life. Definitely challenging with working a 40-hour work week, but I feel that as long as I stay organized, I'm able to do a pretty good job with maintaining and balancing school and work and then my social life as well. I'm excited. I only have less than 1 year now remaining with Regis, so excited to, finally finish. I love to watch movies, TV, relax in that way. It definitely just takes my mind off of everything. I'm really looking forward to this course and getting to know everyone that will be taking the class with me. So good luck, everyone. Thank you.